In a cozy cafe, a young girl named Lily sits at the counter. She looks around, noticing the warm lighting and friendly barista. She feels a bit shy but needs to order something. The barista smiles at her, ready to help. Lily decides to try a new experience, asking politely for a drink. Lily says, "I'd like a coffee, please." The barista nods, understanding her request. Lily chooses a black coffee, simple and clear. The barista asks if she wants any additions, like sugar or milk. Lily declines politely, showing how "would like" is used to make requests in a kind way. The barista asks, "Would you like some cake?" Lily thinks about it. She is not hungry, but the cake looks delicious. She politely declines, saying no, thank you. This shows that "would like" can be used for offers, not just requests. Lily thanks the barista for the offer and continues her order. Lily's friend Mia enters the cafe. She looks around and spots Lily. Mia feels hungry and asks, "Would you like a sandwich?" Lily is happy to help. She says yes, please. This is a polite offer. Mia is smiling and ready to order, showing how "would like" can be used to invite someone to do something. Back at the cafe, the barista prepares Lily's coffee. He adds a small slice of cake next to her order. Lily is surprised but appreciative. She says, "Thank you for the cake." The barista smiles, showing his kindness. This highlights that when using "would like," you are making a polite request or offer with appreciation. Lily then asks Mia, "Would you like to join me?" Mia is thrilled and accepts. They both sit at the table, enjoying their coffee and cake. Lily's use of "would like" makes the invitation friendly and inviting, showing how it can be used in different ways. Later, Lily meets another friend, Tom, at the cafe. He's tired and needs rest. Lily offers him a break, saying, "I'd like to take a rest, would you like to come with me?" Tom smiles and agrees, showing that "would like" can also be used as a polite way to make a request or suggestion. In the park, Lily meets a new person, Sam. He is holding a picnic basket and asks, "Would you like to join me?" Lily is happy to accept. This shows how "would like" can be used to offer a social activity. Lily says yes, please, expressing her willingness in a polite way. At the cafe, a guest asks Lily, "Would you like a refund for your coffee?" Lily responds politely, saying no, thank you. She takes a sip and enjoys the coffee. This shows that "would like" can also be used to decline something politely, without sounding rude. Lily writes a note to her teacher explaining, "I'd like to learn about grammar." She makes sure her tone is polite and respectful. Her teacher replies, "Would you like to join the class?" Lily nods, showing that she is excited and ready to learn. This demonstrates the use of "would like" in formal and polite contexts.